Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today Vienna has her pet treater for March. Do you want to know what toys she's going to be playing on this month? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so Vienna's pet treater just arrived. She never really looks so excited right here because she just knows I'm holding her and she's just patiently waiting. But she is super excited. She absolutely loves to play with her toys. So this is her favorite time of the month other than her daily eating, as she loves her food. And I did finally post her dog food video. I wanted to wait extra long just to make sure that there was no problems, and she just went to the vet for a checkup again like 2 weeks ago, and she has a good clean bill of health. They are extremely thrilled and they see the huge improvements. So I'm like, okay, now I can go ahead and release that video now that I feel a little bit better. So I did do that video for you guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy that, and it's going to be simple and easy for you guys to make if you wanted to. So there's that. You want to see what's in your bag now? Do you want to see what's in your bag? You want to see your toys? You want your toys? You do want your toys? You want your toys? Oh, you want your toys? You want your toys? Yeah? Okay, let's get this opened and let's see what we have in here, shall we? Here. Like, what are you doing over there? Okay. So, oh, you want to sit on the table? Just please don't just sit. Okay, let's see what's inside. Ooh, let's see this one first. Okay, so this is the second little watermelon that she has received. Thank you for just sitting. You're such a good girl. I don't recall. I think she still has the other one. So now she'll have two watermelons, and it has a squeaker right there. She's like, I already got this one before. Here, just sit right there for a second. Let's see what else is in here. There is a bow tie. Is it adjustable? Yeah, I guess it's adjustable. There. She's like, what in the world? Now you have a little bow attached to you. Now you have a bow attached to you. Oh, and this month was St. Patrick's Day. That would have been cute like for St. Patrick's Day, but she didn't have it that early. This just came. What else is in here is this guy right here. I'm not quite sure about this one. Anything with this, she ends up like tearing up and I throw away because I don't like that mess all over my house. So I'll see how this one does. And then, what is this? This is a kitten unicorn. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this looks like, I don't know how long this one will last, but again, with any of these, just her getting them and being excited to have them is all that I want to see. So even if she does rip them up and she only has them for 5 minutes, it's okay. It's okay for me. Okay, so she doesn't get the... Look at your ear. She doesn't get this one anymore because, yeah, she got a hole and I'm having some stuffing around the house. But now I have, literally I have stuff all over. So I'm glad she had fun while it lasted. You kill her? You killed it! This month we say congratulations to Walnut, who made this month's flyer. How cute. I think this is going to be her favorite this month. Sorry, you guys, the neighbor decided to now start mowing his yard. So if you hear that, I'm sorry. I tried my best to record where there's no sound going on outside, but I can't control other people. Just can't. So this is probably, like I said, going to be the hit for this month, but we're going to see shortly. She has the bow tie, which is really, really cute and festive for this month. There's this guy right here, which I'm not quite sure, but if she doesn't get play out of it, I know a dog who definitely will. And then there is a watermelon for this month as well. All right, you guys, so if you want to see her playing with her toys, here you go. Okay, so I'm pretty sure she's going to grab her little cat unicorn first, but let's see. Whoa. Can I see that? All right, you guys, so that is her playing with her toys, living her best life as normal. So if you would like a little bit more information about Pet Treater, they have both cat and dog options, is which I really love about this one. So for the dog options, the first one is $15 a month, which you would get 3 to 4 hand selected items and from a variety of super fun toys and treats that are USA and Canadian made, never China. Or you can do the deluxe dog pack. That one's $25 a month and you have 5 to 8 selected items. So you get extra goodies in that one. Or you can do the treat only. If you just want treats, no toys whatsoever, you can do treats only for $18 a month. Or you can do the toys only like she gets, and it's $18 a month. The cat pack is $15 a month and you'll get 3 to 4 hand selected items as far as treats and toys. Or you can do the multi-cat pack. So if you have multiple cats or you just want a bigger variety for your cat, that one's $25 a month and you get 5 to 8 selected items. So that is everything that I have to say for this particular box, you guys. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of Pet Treater? What do you think of her loving her little toys? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.